today we are actually, it's a great day because we are going to fix the exhaust on Frankie. So I don't know if you guys knew this. I don't think I really got a good capture of it, but basically the exhaust came undone from the header. So I already started unbolting the header, but you could probably see right back there, that's where it became disconnected. Shar, are you eager to help?
Yeah.
Yeah? I love it.
With this?
Yeah.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know.
Tell you what, this wire sure came in handy. I randomly had that in the back of the truck, and that's what I used to keep the exhaust halfway on while we limped home. But there you can see we got it out. It was fought us a little bit, but nothing too crazy. All right, so we've got a couple spots that we need to fix here, and here. That little piece goes to there. The exhaust did get a little bent. I'm not terribly worried about that, but we might try and straighten that out. But now let's take this over to Jack's. So what's really cool is Jack offered to help get the exhaust prepped. So we already dropped off the header at his house. So now he's got to weld it. Working on the old custom line, huh? Working on the old custom line. So this is so awesome. So I just walked up and Jack already welded this piece. Check that out. So we found the rod that you need to do it with the torch. And look, so we're all good there. So awesome. Isn't Jack the man? And then, so we're just trying to figure out how to butt up. We've got, like, this was always our Achilles heel, is we needed like a little piece here. So we're trying to figure that out. Jack's cleaning up the other little spot. And we're thinking maybe cut a piece off of there and put it, boom. Right, Jack?
Yep, right.
So pretty cool.
If we clean this up, we'll see what we can.
See if we can butt it
Get
up.
the grinder and kind of clean this.
Jack cleaned up the inside of this, and this is our last piece, so we'll just get that welded up, and we should be pretty much good to go. Ah, so awesome. All this on the end just to clear the clutch for it, you know. All right, Jack's at work. Look at that. Flame on. There you go. It's torch time. Want me to grab? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Nice, there you go. Look at the master at work. Yeah. Does it help to put it like that? Yeah. No, I got it. Oh, yeah, that's working out pretty good though.
Okay. We'll let it cool off for a minute and see what we got, and then
Go from there?
yeah.
Okay.
Take a look at it.
Should we see it?
I think no, right there, right there. I think we're right in there someplace. Let's see what we have.
Daylight coming through. All right, so Jack and I, we got this piece, and by we I mean Jack. Jack welded up the exhaust, so we're good there. It's awesome. And we're just messing with this bat, but it wasn't, we couldn't heat it up enough with this, so we're thinking solder. And so we're messing with the bat and trying to figure out how to put the maybe bolts underneath it or something. So I'm picking Jack's brain here on what makes sense. Oh, that thing's still pretty warm.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Going over here, the first one. So we're putting the 2 bolts on the bottom so it could stick to the hood. And we're using the brazing because this one does not like the heat as much. And this is the part that's probably going to be a little bit more of a pain, but I think Jack thinks we could get it, so. Jack had a really good point. With this piece, it might just melt through. You can see how it was heating up. So we might find another way on this part to just, I mean, it doesn't have to be anything crazy, but we got to figure out something else. But Jack also bent it so it kind of fits in there a little nicer. So now we just have to figure out how to connect this part. But this is looking good. Look at that. Nice. All right. Oh man, this is great. So we got the header welded up. And huge thank you to my buddy Jack. I mean, Jack has just been such a lifesaver. It's so awesome. Let's get Frankie fixed and done. All right, so we got the header bolted back up. The thing that's kicking my butt right now is I'm trying to remember how to get the linkage connected for the clutch, so that's what I'm working on. So Jack pulled up, perfect timing. So we're just trying to put the exhaust pipe on, but because I use the impact wrench, it's real tight on there. So we're gonna take this with some heat. We've got the exhaust actually hanging out the trunk, and we're gonna see if we can get it that way. I like it. All right. Okay. Oh, hey, got it. It actually did work, but so you see we got it pretty good.
You got the coil all hooked up?
Well, I put the rope coil back in. All right, so great news. We got Frankie fixed. The only thing is the battery's dead, and because it's been sitting on a hill all week, we're out of gas. So I'm gonna get some more gas, recharge the battery, but he should be good now. Boom, baby. Thank you guys for watching, and huge thank you to my buddy Jack.